The Woodland Walk trail is located in the Burke Mountain area of Coquitlam. The hike is a nice forested walk that takes you to the very scenic Sawblade Falls waterfall. The hike is about 8 kilometers round trip and takes up to 3 hours, depending if you take the upper or lower Woodland Walk. The one major downside to this hike is the trailhead is located near a shooting range, so gunshots can be heard during most of the hike. But don't let this discourage you, as seeing Sawblade Falls makes it well worth it.